So hello everyone, this is the demo access lecture. We are not cover anything in this lecture. Basically, I will provide some instruction. So if you're if you looking for DeepSeek and Llama powered all-in-one LLM suite, so we provide free demo access for the DeepSeek and Llama powered all-in-one LLM suite VM and product. To request a free demo, please reach out to us at marketing@techlatest.net with the subject free demo access request and your company name. This is one of the most important part. Please add your company name and email us on at marketing@techlatest.net with the subject free demo access request, and we will connect with you and we will provide free access to you and your company. So you can enjoy this VM and this product free, and it have lot of things like it have some pre-configured models like DeepSeek R1 with 8B, 14B, 32B, 70B Boolean parameters, Llama 3.3 model, Mistral, Gamma 227B, Queen 2.5 with 7B, 14B, 32B, 72B Boolean parameters. Then no big embed text. Then the VM pre-configured with open-webui and ollama. So you have not installed anything. So you have not additional install anything additionally. Basically, the VM configured with open-webui, ollama, and these some pre-configured model. You can also check on techlatest.net website. We have provide full instruction on our product page. So basically techlatest.net/support/multi-LLM VM support. This is the product name, and you can check out this mail and you can email us on this email ID, and we are good to go connect with you and provide free demo access. Thank you.